Hiya, I'll have the most expensive steak on the menu and a bottle of champagne. No, scratch that. 2 bottles of champagne, please. We're staying a couple of nights in the most luxurious hotel in Cebu City, where we'll be living like kings. And although we won't be staying in this room, we will be doing you a tour of the presidential suite, which costs £400 per night.
This is where we've been spending the last couple of nights. Got a single bed, double bed, and let me tell you, this hotel is not bad. It's a 3-star hotel in the city center of Cebu, but we are going to bring it up 2 massive notch. You get it? 3 stars to 5 stars? Sorry.
My dream has come true. I hope we can get robes, eat marshmallows dipped in chocolate for breakfast, go to the swimming pool.
Thank you so much. Oh, there's security and everything. What the hell? I'm not ready for this. This seems like we're in Las Vegas entering like a casino.
The craziest thing is that we are checking in into a 5-star hotel with backpacks and dirty clothes.
I am so embarrassed of my shoes. That's all I have to say. Don't look down.
Man, this is insane. This reception looks like a shopping mall.
First time here with us?
Yeah.
First time here. That way.
Oh,
You're here for vacation, sir, ma'am?
Just traveling the world.
Traveling the
Oh,
world.
that's really amazing.
Yeah. Thank you. Looks like a shopping mall, this.
Right next to
Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, the reception is insane.
I don't think we fit in here.
So we did come a bit earlier. We came at 12:30 afternoon, but the lady kindly suggested that we may be able to check in early. So that's a very good point.
And so far, the customer service here is outstanding. Everybody is so nice, so welcoming. I mean, that's in general in the Philippines, but here you can feel that 5-star experience. We're gonna find somewhere to sit, but like, there's so many options and everything looks so comfy that where do we go? Oh, it's an outdoor bar and there is a swimming pool. It looks amazing. So make sure you keep watching because we're gonna go there. As soon as we check in, we're going straight to the swimming pool.
But that was not the case now. To make time until the check-in, we found this very comfy spot where we worked for hours until we collected the keys.
It's finally time to head up to the room, guys. I am so excited. I promise you, we are staying on the 9th floor as well, so it's gonna be views up to the everything.
But before, they do have some snacks here that we didn't realize before. And they've got some water. I think I'm gonna try one of these cookies.
I want a cookie. The candy as well.
And they look very homemade. Look at that.
Ooh, soft. Is it shortbread? Oh my god, that's so good. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you. Oh, it's already there.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. So much space to actually get to the elevator.
I'm so excited and so nervous at the same time.
Oh, you can see the bridge. That's what we saw when we came on the boat. It's massive. Now let's go and check out where we're going to be staying for the next 2 nights. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're here. The time has come. This place smells so good. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, look at this place. It's insane.
Before we show you the room, we are going to take a backpack selfie because this place deserves full attention.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I come in?
Yeah, of course.
Please, thank
you
you.
so much.
No worries, sir.
Thank you so much.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're staying.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Radisson Blu.
How could you not choose Radisson Blu?
So I think we said it before, but as we came into the hotel, we left the backpacks in reception. So we were in the lounge just working, and then they brought the backpacks.
Yeah, we haven't seen our bags in like 2 hours.
How insane is this? But let's get to the room tour.
Welcome to our 5-star hotel room. As you come in, you've literally got a wardrobe, massive wardrobe with complimentary slippers. Ah! When I say it's massive, look at this. Oh my god, I don't even have to crouch. full length. We've also got some extra storage here with our cookies. Don't pay attention to that. And as you go in to this side, we've got a humongous toilet. Like, come on in. Let me close the door so you can get a good view. I think this is the biggest bathroom I've ever been in Asia. In the whole world, to be honest. And where Max was standing before is the shower. Somehow the shower handle is here, not there, where you would expect it to be, but I think this is super convenient. And we've got all the essential shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I love it when they just give you big bottles and not those tiny ones that you just run out in a day. And if that wasn't enough, we actually have even more complimentary stuff. Body lotion in a baby bottle. I love it. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in ages. This is exactly where I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows this evening.
Yeah, you definitely need some work going on there.
Excuse me? And now let's go to the most important part, the bedroom. It's huge! Remember when I told you that was the biggest bathroom I've ever seen? Scratch that. This is the biggest bed I have ever seen. Look at the size of this. It's a full Carol length. And if this is not the presidential suite, I don't know what the presidential suite looks like, but this is a presidential suite seat. I feel like the president sitting here. I decrete, I don't know, what do I decrete? Bring lunch to me right now because I'm starving. Hello? Yes, it's President Carol. It's swimming pool time, they said. Look at how spacious the garden is. They've got hammocks on the side and sofas there. I just can't explain to you enough how exclusive this hotel is. Like the amount of security, there's like 1,000 staff members working here. It's so nicely overwhelming, but we just walk into a room and they're like, hi mom, we're like, hi, to like 100 people. It's super cute. Anyway, let's check out the swimming pool.
And they even give you towels for free.
Hello, hi.
Hello, how are you? They've got so many areas. They've got like kids swimming pool over there. This is so cute. That's perfect for like Instagram pictures.
We're so lucky. We literally got a secluded island just for ourselves. You can't get any better than this.
The swimming pool is so incredible, but also I'm risking the integrity of this video just because I'm bringing the camera onto the water. We came over this side where we seem to have like an infinity swimming pool to this tiny pond, and it's very nice that they've got these trees with very beautiful flowers that we saw quite frequently in Bali. And Carol even bought a flower to put on her head.
Now for my favorite part that I've been waiting to do is to go under the bridge.
If you want to maintain your fitness or relax even more, you've got access to a gym and a spa center. On our way back, we found out that during the evenings they have live music. I bet not many hotels have this.
Hello, hi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
We couldn't be on a 5-star hotel without our robes. We just took a shower and that was honestly the best shower ever. The water pressure, the temperature, oh, such a dream. But tomorrow what we are going to do is show you the amazing breakfast buffet that Radisson Blu has going on. But also we are going to check out the most expensive and biggest room in Cebu City.
It was time to have dinner, and Radisson Blu has many options. They have a buffet, an outdoor dining space, or a more relaxed scenario where to have drinks. Oh, the Queen's there! It was finally time of waking up! Look how elegant Carol's walking down. I feels like I'm dreaming. But we weren't gonna have dinner at the hotel.
You can also eat in the shopping mall, which is literally a 1-minute walk from Radisson Blu. In fact, we have our own private entrance. This is the hotel, and this is the shopping mall.
And the good thing is that if it's raining, you don't have to worry because all the walk is covered by a very nice and transparent roof.
And we also have security. I keep telling you, there's security everywhere. So we feel super safe going around at any time. Hello, hi, good evening.
Hello, how are you? And here we are. That's a shopping mall.
This shopping center has many dining options, clothing shops, but also entertainment. And we actually managed to fit in a bowling session before sleeping.
Radisson Blu, we hate sleeping in your beds. Why are they so comfortable? The last time that we stayed at Radisson Blu, we nearly missed a flight.
This has never happened before. We've literally woken up an hour before the flight.
And today we didn't even want to wake up.
It's nearly 8 in the morning and we're trying to beat the breakfast rush. So we're gonna go and find out what breakfast has to offer.
For some reason we chose the busiest time for breakfast.
Morning.
Morning, good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
Wow, this place is beautiful. And it's probably the biggest breakfast we've had in Asia. I think we can call this impossible breakfast because I've already seen like 10 things that I want to have for breakfast and I'm not sure my stomach's going to be able to take it.
Guys, this is not a drill. There's a chocolate fountain, marshmallows. Oh my god, I don't even think this should be legal in the morning, but I'm having it. I am having that with that and all of this. Nah, this can't be part of the breakfast. There's just ice cream.
This is the most insane breakfast I've ever seen.
This is crazy.
We weren't exaggerating when we said the biggest breakfast ever. They had fruits, pastries, main dishes, gluten-free. Literally anyone in the world could eat here.
Okay, this one is insane. Max, what do you think we're gonna have here?
Grilled pork. Oh.
That's our favorite right there. Oh my god, and it keeps going.
This is round one of our breakfast.
I'm just sad because I know I won't do many rounds, but like I want to eat everything on this breakfast. Just try it.
Also, let us know in the comments throughout our breakfast, which one do you prefer and which one would you have?
This is like a dream come true for me.
No!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah!
Get
Too
more!
much, too
No
much.
more!
Oh.
Damn!
Oh my god. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is so unhealthy. So much for being on a diet. Not to be dramatic or anything, but this is easily the best breakfast that I've ever had in my life. So many options to choose from and everything was just incredibly delicious. My favorite part has definitely been the sweets bar. I think tomorrow the plan is going to be to come to breakfast a little bit later so that we can eat more, and that's already like lunch. We're combining one meal there because this place has absolutely everything you can imagine. Just look at Max with the whipped cream and the pancake. Oh my god. No.
A piece of advice is, sometimes it's better to eat through your eyes because
I think I'm gonna enter a food coma. Can't even speak. I can't walk. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we are going to see the presidential suite. But there's a twist that we haven't told you. We haven't arranged anything, and obviously we are not staying there. So one of us is going to have to go to reception and ask them. And let me tell you now, I'm extremely nervous, but the way that we are going to do it is with the common and most traditional rock, paper, scissors.
Fair and square.
I hope it's not me. Like my heart is beating so fast right now. Rock, paper, scissors, and then shoot. Okay? Quick timeout.
Oh, that was a big one.
Let's go. Ah!
Ready?
I need to think what I'm pulling out.
It's all in here. It's all in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get in his head.
Okay, I got it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I thought I was gonna lose there.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go!
Best of three.
No. Carol, every time we've played rock, paper, scissors, for whatever reason, Carol has won 99% of the time. And I'm glad that this is the 1%.
Hello, good morning. Quick question, it might be weird, but we're recording a video like of our stay here. Is there any chance that we can see the presidential suite to put it in our video?
And we wouldn't touch anything or...
Not
I
dirty.
sincerely apologize. There's someone right now in the presidential
Oh,
suite.
okay.
Also, there's just one.
Sorry.
There's just...
Yes,
Oh
only
wow,
one presidential suite.
very exclusive
Yeah.
then.
It's actually our biggest room, and right now it's occupied.
Just
worries.
out of curiosity, how much does it cost per night to stay there?
Let me check. That depends. All of our room rates will depend actually on the occupancy of the hotel. That would be around 30 to 40,000 per night in peso.
Peso.
Per night,
Yes,
okay.
per
Okay.
night.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
for
Thank
sharing.
you. Well done for asking.
I had to do what I had to do.
And there you have it, the most luxurious hotel in Cebu City. Thank you so much for following us in this amazing journey.
And don't forget to like and subscribe!
Finally,